Hey everybody, David over at Frequency Frontiers. So, have you ever heard about ham radio? No? Well, let me tell you, it's a hobby where people use radios to talk to others around the world with no internet or cell phone towers needed. Some people love ham radio because it connects communities, sparks curiosity, and even helps in emergencies when other communications fail. It can be from chatting from someone across the globe to satellites or helping during disasters. Ham radio is both fun and practical. Is one of the biggest sparks for STEM and electronics I've seen. If people are interested, so ready to explore or learn new things, ham radio opens up a world of possibilities no matter where you are. So if you have any questions, comments, please leave them down below. Till next time, 7-3.